What's going on, guys? I bought this today, actually October 16th. The Nike Series 4 watch, the Nike Plus edition. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. I'll do my best as to get you more detail after I've used the watch in our review. So this is just an unboxing. Alright guys, enjoy. Okay, I guess I pull from here. Good. Very nice. Put that in the garbage. Turn this over. There are two flaps right here, so I guess you pull. Just not too firmly. Let's see. I'm gonna try and see if I can open it without ripping the box. Oops, I ripped it. I was gonna try not to rip it. I ripped it. It's all good though. It's good. Wow, really nice. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. Looks really, really good. I'm just using one camera today, guys. Like I said, it's my first video, so what I'm going to be doing afterwards is I'm going to do some close-up shots at the end of the video. You guys are going to see a close-up shots of all the details. Alright? Okay, so there are actually two boxes. There's one with the watch, and there's one with the band. So I put the band to the side for the moment, and put the watch to the side for the moment so you guys can see what the box looks like. Looks like that. Looks pretty good. Different watches on here with different bands. So yeah. Alright, so we can put it to the side. And this is the watch. Alright, let's open it up. Yeah, it's looking good. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. Alright, let's open this up. Check this out without ripping anything again. So if I draw this out, this is like an instruction manual of sorts. Yeah, definitely instruction. Shows you how to, I guess, pair the watch with your phone. Look inside, there's nothing else. I'll put that to the side. Then you have your regular charging brick that comes with your watch. And this is the, I don't know what they call this. It's to charge your watch, obviously. Plastic is on there. Like I said, I'll take pictures of it. And before we get to the watch, let's move this to the side for a second. And let's get to the band. Alright, so this is the band, guys. Simple as that. And oh, and this is actually the 44mm version of the watch that I have right here. Alright, so let me open this up real quick. Pull this bad boy out. Good. Put it to the side. And there you go. Alright, open it up. More instructions on how to, I guess, install it. Okay, so there are three separate bands, and I guess you have one that is medium and one that is small and medium, and the top one I guess is medium and large. So these are the different bands, and I got the black version. I actually got the space gray watch, so I'll take that out shortly. Put it to the side, and here we are, the watch itself. So it's, you know, kind of like feels kind of like, I don't know, suede, velvet, whatever the texture. All right, let me take the watch out real quick. So slide it forward. I must say, wow, looks pretty good, and the watch is being turned on. All right, so like I said, guys, this is just an unboxing. This is a new ceramic bag that I hear they're talking about, and if you look at the back of it, it's a Series 4 with a Nike Plus logo under 44mm aluminum and ceramic case, and it's glass, GPS, water resistant 50 meters. Yep, that's about it. So it's telling me to pair my watch, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to do, like I said, this is just an unboxing. I will definitely be showing more details in terms of close-ups pictures, because I'm just using one lens for the camera. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.